Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to export to XML file in Google Sheets. First select File and then Download. Select the XLSX format to download it, and now in order to download it in this format, select the name of the document, so New File, and then select Save. Now you can replace the files that you have and simply go to freeconvert.com and select XLX to XML. Here open your downloads folder and simply drag and drop your file right here. Then press convert and this side will automatically convert your file to XML. Once it is done, it says done right here and you can download your file to your downloads folder again. Open downloads folder and here you can see a new file XML. It is really this simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.